Hello with everyone, welcome to this new video of my BYU course. This is my CRUD operation project and I'm going to share my code and the taste of my code. The first uh, rub, rub, rubrics, the first rubric is API and endpoint rate via video, and this is the application quality performs get, post, put, delete, and the both post and put route for both collection contain data validation. Okay, and return 400 or 500 error in data requirements or not. Routes uses 0 try and catch and returns 400 or 500 status code if errors are thrown. And video demonstrate the application working in publish link, and here is my publish link. Sensitive and configuration information on GitHub. Okay, here in my GitHub, I don't have sensitive information like the IMB file. This is only an example. So I'm going to start with that. Here we have my the first page that my code display when running in my terminal. Here we have the controllers, get all customers, get customers by ID. So here we have the try and catch, create customers, try and catch, update customers, try, and here we have catch. This is the overlay customers, try and catch. Here we have the old products and all products, try and catch, get product by ID, try and catch, create product, try and catch, update product, try and catch, and delete product, try and catch. And it's important export the modules, export our modules. This is our data code for to start to connect our data with MongoDB, and it's so important that write okay this line of our code, because with that we'll connect our MongoDB with our server or our API. This is the handle errors. Here we have the validation error document, not follow the schema, so this is a validation error, and return the 400 error. MongoDB error, duplicate kit error. This have return 400 error, duplicate error. Object ID invalid error, return 400 error. For this part we have the 500. Oh, sorry. Okay, my display put on black also. For this part we have the 500 error, and this is internal server error. Yep. Here we have we are importing all the controllers. Here we have the principal message, and this is the products, and here we could export that, and export that we could import here our principal page. Okay, here we have the Swagger JS. For this part we have all the validation customers, and we are exporting to, and for this part we have all the validation here, and we are exporting to all of that. Here we have the IMB file, so this is only an example, and well, so an example. The package JSON. This is my package look JSON, package JSON. For this part we have one of the principal file, and this is the server.js. With that we control all our connection, and here we have the port 3000, and for this here we have the message that it is when the my code is running okay or not okay, and this is the similar here. Okay, so here we have the Swagger JSON. This is running a localhost 3000. Swagger or Swagger output JSON, Swagger JSON here, and Swagger JSON, Swagger JS, and Swagger JSON. All. So I'm going to open. Oh, sorry. I'm going to open here, and I'm going to run. And this is loading. Okay, here we have the message that is my code is running. So I'm going to put here API talks, and I'm going to display this part. So I'm going to get all products, and here we have that a problem because the local host is not run. So we need to open here and run in our terminal. Node swagger.js. So this is successful, and here we have npm run do, and our code will start to run. So we need to refresh that, and I'm going to try out and execute that. Here we have the products. Okay, I'm going to copy that, and here I'm going to get in the product ID. I'm going to paste, and here we could see that is our code. So we could put here, okay, with that, and I'm going to replace this information. Okay, here we have the data, and I'm going to put execute, click execute. Here we have an error, and that is said invalid unit. Okay, here I put a number, and I need to put one of that because in unit. Okay, so here I put an L, and this is a product update successfully. So in the name here, put a milk with chocolate, and when the ID get the product, only put here milk. So we need to see here again. So I'm going to put execute again, and here we have the our product is update the new name and for this part. Okay, this is our product controllers is running. So for the customers is similar. Execute. Here we have two customers. I'm going to copy that, and I will put here get bar ID customer. Copy that, and here we have the customers. Okay, so this is my code is running all of that. Thank you for watching my video.